want to give a special thanks to MGA for sending this doll to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today we are taking a look at Rainbow High Series 2 Bella Parker doll. Whoa, didn't these dolls just come out and they're already on Series 2? This is a single doll with accessories, and in the past these have been about $25–26 each. I don't have an exact retail price, but I'm guessing it's somewhere around there. If we look down at the bottom of the box, we can see that the art has changed a little. There's Bella. Yeah, we're definitely seeing some new characters here. On the back of the box, there is all new artwork, giving us a good look at Series 2. I'm seeing a lot of skirts, definitely hoping that some of them come with pants, because I absolutely love some of the pieces we have gotten in the past. You know I love a casual look, so his outfit right now is like my favorite. At the bottom of the box, it says, "Welcome to Rainbow High, a colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama." Yeah, you know we love the drama. In the doll world, of course. In real life, no. Bella Parker's doll box is pink to go along with her very pink theme. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. If I'm a mad woman. Out of the box, she comes with a pink doll stand that has glitter in the plastic, a matching comb, light pink hangers. One does require a little assembly. She has another complete outfit, including an extra pair of shoes. I'm a big fan of getting extra hangers with extra clothing. Although having hangers of different colors kind of bothers me. In my closet, all the hangers are black. No wire hangers! Just joking. Totally not having a mommy dearest moment here. Bella has light pink hair. There is some product in the front. Pretty crunchy on those front curls. The back of her hair is pretty soft and there is a light curl. Personally, I would just rather have the soft curls in front. I know that they want it to look fantastic in the box, but this really just creates a whole nother step for me, washing out the product, which I am not going to do right now. Like the other dolls, her hair is pretty long. She has a soft, pearly finish. Looks like she had some fun with highlighter. She has glass-like inset eyes that fade from purple to blue. She has pink eyeshadow and a silver glitter. She wears a pink lipstick, a black headband with painted pearls going down the sides. There's a black bow on top and a jewel in the middle. She wears what looks like a tweed Chanel-inspired suit. It has a nice chunky fabric with gold tinsel woven throughout, trimmed with black sequins, going along the neckline, down the front, around the bottom, on the top of faux pockets, and around the sleeves. There's a faux belt stitched onto the skirt, and we have some black buttons over here on the side. It looks like they used a serger on the edges of the suit. I like that they used a serger with this material. It stops it from fraying, but afterwards I would have wanted it to be flipped under and hemmed. She wears a t-shirt underneath the jacket. It says California Dreams. The jacket, the shirt, and the skirt are all separate pieces. The shirt and the skirt close with Velcro in the back. Is that a raw edge? Yeah, that's a raw edge on my t-shirt. The fabric that this suit is made from can be challenging. We do have some light fraying if those ends aren't secure. We do have some tinsel coming loose on the sleeve. It's a beautiful fabric with a lot of texture, but you know, there can be a few hiccups. She wears knee-high socks. They are a little sheer. She wears a pair of pink open-toe heels with gold and white details across the toe and around the ankle. and the bottom of the shoe is painted pink. Just like the dolls from season 1, this doll is fully articulated with side-to-side movement at the head, movement at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, hip, and knee. Now let's check out her second look. Oops, almost forgot, she does have an upper thigh joint, and her hands are removable, making it easier to get her dressed. Well, a little easier. I have trouble with these shoes. She has another pair of pink open-toe shoes. They have black soles. They are pink on the bottom, have little bows in the back, and a painted gold buckle on the side. She has pink stockings that have rainbow high. Right there, you can see the R and the H decorating the netting on the stockings. That is so cool. She has the pink faux leather jacket with quilted arms and pearls decorating the sleeves. Well, it's not really quilted, it's like a sewn quilt pattern. There is a faux zipper in the front, a silver buckle. It can fit inside of the buckle. Underneath, she wears a pink and white dress with short sleeves, a large white collar, and a black ribbon bow. The edges of the collar are singed. And once again, they used a serger on the bottom of the dress and the sleeves. Don't get me wrong, I am totally not trying to down finishings like this. On stretchy materials and t-shirts, I am totally cool with it. But when I see detailed fabrics like these, I kind of expect them to be elevated a little. But this is just my opinion, and I do apologize if I am being overly picky. Yeah, Toya, what's the deal? You're being so extra judgy. 'Cause I look great in this. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Rainbow High's Series 2 Bella Parker. Let us know in the comments down below if this doll is a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!